Imagine waking up 5 years from now and realizing that the biggest wealth building opportunity of this generation was happening right in front of your eyes, but you ignored it. That is exactly the question millions of investors are asking today. Is the AI boom still worth investing in? Or has the market already reached its peak? Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic idea, it's transforming businesses, replacing repetitive jobs, accelerating innovation, and driving billions of dollars into the global economy. From powerful AI chips and cloud computing to healthcare breakthroughs, autonomous vehicles, and intelligent software, the race to dominate AI has become one of the biggest financial stories in history. Some experts believe we're only in the early stages of an AI revolution that could create the next trillion-dollar companies, while others warn that stock prices have risen too fast and a major correction could be around the corner. So, who's right? Is this a once-in-a-generation investment opportunity, or is it another market bubble waiting to burst? In this video, we'll separate facts from hype, uncover what's really driving AI stocks, reveal the biggest opportunities and risks investors need to know, and help you understand whether the AI boom still has room to grow or whether the smartest move is to stay on the sidelines. Make sure you watch until the end, because one insight could completely change the way you think about investing in artificial intelligence. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest updates on investing, AI, stocks, and personal finance. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the AI boom is just getting started, or do you believe it's already a bubble? I'd love to hear your opinion. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, invest wisely, and I'll see you in the next video.